Okay, today we're going to talk about the new DJI Pocket 4P. I actually pre-ordered it back in April and finally picked it up on the launch day of China, June 23rd, whole 2 months. Fun fact, this is actually my birthday gift from my dad, so thank you, Dad. This video is not sponsored, so everything you are about to see is my honest first impression. There are 2 versions, one standard combo and one vlog combo. The standard combo is priced at 37.99 Chinese yuan. The vlog combo is priced at 42.99 Chinese yuan. The price may vary depending on where you buy it. I went with vlog combo because I do need the mic and the small monitor. Instead of testing it at home, I brought it with me to my birthday trip at Anji, Zhejiang. As you can probably already see, this place is so beautiful. So in this video, I'll show you what's inside the box and we'll head out and test it in the real world. Okay, this is the camera itself. It has 103 GB storage built in. It's a dual lens system. The bottom one is the main lens. It's 20mm f2 at 1-inch sensor. The top one is 60mm f1.8, 1.28-inch sensor. The dual lens design is a bit top-heavy compared to the single lens setup like Pocket 4. For context, my main setup is Sony ZV-E1 with 20-70 f4 lens. So they basically covers very similar range, just this one in a much smaller body. What really surprised me is the new D-Log 2 color profile and up to 17 stops dynamic range. It's getting very close to the cinema level performance. So later, we'll push it in very high contrast scenes and see what actually hold up to. It also shoots up to 4K 240 FPS slow motion and 12x zoom. Although not every feature works on both lenses, some are only limited to the main wide lens. It basically feels like 2 cameras built in one body. They have different sensors, different capability, even different color profile. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Inside the box, other than the camera, we also get a mini tripod, a field light like Pocket 4. It's magnetic. And this is a charger. And these 2 are in the vlog combo. This one is Mac Mini 2. And this is a remote control, also worked as a small monitor. One thing I noticed that in this vlog combo, it has 3 cables. You have to bring it with you every time. One is for the main camera, one is for the remote control, and the other one is for the field light. Honestly, that's a lot of gear to pack into something that small. It doesn't feel like a pocket camera anymore. I also bought myself a K and F variable ND filter. I might use it tomorrow because it's already very dark outside. So now let's bring it outside and see how it actually performs. It's super dark right here. After I tested the whole day, I really like this camera. The most important reason is that this is super light and I'm willing to take it out with me to anywhere, basically. And I think it's perfect for travel because you can have different perspective. You have the wide lens and you have the mid-range lens. Also, the tracking, the stabilization, the low light performance, they're all very good, very solid. The only shortage I realized that is the battery life. And it's very easy to get heat in summer. Other than that, it's solid, it's very good, I like it. Okay, right now I'm shooting on the Pocket 4P. This is actually a very high contrast scene because there is no light in the room and it's a sunny day outside and you can tell how it looks. I know if you are watching this video, you're probably either thinking of getting this camera or something similar like Pocket 4 or Luna Ultra. But the real question is this actually worth it for your type of shooting? So I'll go deeper in the next video. I actually have 3 ideas in mind and I'd love your input on which one you want to see first. Option 1 is a comparison between Pocket 4P and my main setup, Sony ZV-E1. That's actually one of the main reasons I get this camera, because sometimes I just don't want to bring heavy setups or I just don't want to look so awkward in public. So we'll do a blind test. We'll see if you can actually tell which shots are from Sony and which are from Pocket 4P. We'll see if this is really a B cam for filmmaking or just some convenience tool. Option 2 is a beginner-friendly breakdown. You may don't even care about all the settings and technical stuffs. You may don't even know what is f1.8, what is 17 stops dynamic range. That doesn't matter, no technical jargon, just some simple answers. Is this a good camera for everyday life, travel, family moments, sports, cooking, food, children, dog, all that sort of stuff. And option 3 is a comparison video between Pocket 4P and Luna Ultra. I won't buy another camera, but I'll rent it and test it properly. Just comment 1, 2, or 3 and let me know which one you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.